Hi friends, how are you doing today? क्या आपने IELTS CD एग्ज़ाम बुक किया है या आपने recently computer delivered एग्ज़ाम दिया है? This video is especially for you. Please watch it till the end as we need your help. Well, IELTS CD exams are still happening, though the paper-based exams have been cancelled at most locations. If I talk about in Chandigarh, the BC is conducting, then Noida, Delhi, and there are many other locations where the CD exams are still happening. So, what we need from you, हम चाहते हैं कि आप हमारे साथ अपना IELTS एग्ज़ाम एक्सपीरियंस शेयर कीजिए because there is no other way for us to get the information about the recent IELTS exam happenings. You are our only hope because you are taking the exam and you know that what was the writing task, what was the reading context, and what was the cue card that the examiner asked you. Well, it would be great if you share this information with us because you know that मैं इस प्लेटफॉर्म पे जो भी recent और important और latest update होता है related to the IELTS exam, I try to share with the students. So it would be a great help for many students sitting at home and practicing IELTS. They would get to know that what kind of things the examiners are asking. And once again, I request you that अगर आपने IELTS CD exam दिया है lately या देने वाले हैं तो आप अपने IELTS एग्ज़ाम का एक्सपीरियंस मेरे साथ ज़रूर शेयर कीजिए। शेयर करने के लिए आपके पास दोनों ऑप्शंस रहेंगे। अगर आप चाहें तो किसी भी वीडियो के कमेंट सेक्शन में या इस पर्टिकुलर वीडियो के कमेंट सेक्शन में जाके डिटेल डिस्क्रिप्शन दे सकते हैं या फ्लैश हो रहा है व्हाट्सएप नंबर पे इधर टेक्स्ट फॉर्मेट में या ऑडियो मैसेज सेंड करके आप अपना एक्सपीरियंस मेरे साथ शेयर कर सकते हैं एंड आई विल ट्राई टू ब्रिंग इट इन पब्लिक. So I hope that all of you taking the CD exam will not hesitate to share your experience with me. That's pretty much all from my side and I wish you all the very best for your good results as well. Bye-bye for now.